All right, what's up, Savages? So today we're going to go head out to the range. We're going to do some shooting. We're going to try out a little target system, Be Steal My Critter targets, like a dueling tree. We've been using it for about a year, but what we're really doing today is we're going to be using this when we get back. So I haven't cleaned my guns in a while.
I haven't either.
So we're going to go out and shoot with already dirty guns. We're going to come back, Trigger Fanatics, one-step solution. We're going to be cleaning our guns with this when we come back. It's probably a little blurry. We'll get a close-up on it a little bit later. We'll see how it does. Stay tuned. It should be a good review.
Alright, so we just got back. We were shooting. This isn't going to be like a how-to clean video. This is just going to see how well this stuff does to clean. So I'm going to pull the bolt out of this AR-15. Close that back up and get that out of the way. I'm going to pull the bolt out of this AKM, which comes apart a lot easier. Wow, this thing's dirty. Best part about an AK. They get dirty in the sun. Stuff out of the way so you can look and you can see this stuff is just nasty. We've definitely put quite a few rounds through here. I'm going to go ahead and completely disassemble this bolt here. I don't have any of my stuff with me. No picks, no nothing. Let's see if we got something in here that'll work. Just something tiny I can grab this with. There we go. All right. That firing pin out. Turn this bad boy to the side. Get that out. Yep, that thing is just nasty. And you can see all over my hands. Good stuff. Good stuff. Let's get this bad boy out of here. Definitely needs some cleaning. So the first thing we're going to do, this stuff's made by Trigger Fanatics. It's called a one-step solution. It cleans, prevents rust, protects, and lubricates. They sent this to us and asked us to try it out, so that's what we're going to do. So we'll start with this AK here. Like I said, it's really nasty. We're just going to spray a bunch on here. Nice thick coat. I'm going to do the same thing on this AR-15 bolt. Probably should have read the instructions first, but we're just going to go with this willy-nilly like most gun owners. Apply a liberal coating to all surfaces of your firearm, both inside and out. Pass a saturated patch to the bore of the firearm. We're not going to do that right now. Allow 2 to 5 minutes for Trigger Fanatics to break down any contaminants. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to coat all this fun stuff and this Trigger Fanatics stuff. I'm going to leave it sitting right here. And it's been quite a while since I've cleaned these. I'm not as diligent as I should be, but we've definitely got a liberal amount, we know, because it's just making up stuff. You want to get a Glock in here too?
Yeah, speaking of, as a law enforcement officer, I'm horrible taking care of my guns.
Yeah, you are. Clean, clear. You guys can see online or on the camera that it's clean, clear, nothing good. Here we go. Voice down. One of the things about us as a company is we always try to pick the most pragmatic of things. And Glocks, AKs, they are definitely easy to disassemble, easy to maintain, easy to shoot. Probably why we usually stick with those. And I'm applying a ton of this stuff on here. All right, so we're going to let that sit for, let's see, 2 to 5 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, So it looks like it's been 2 to 5 minutes. We're probably running about the 4-minute mark. We're going to do the super rudimentary. I'm not going to use a whole lot of stuff. It says soak this really good. And the cool thing is this smells a lot like evergreen pine trees, which I'm totally good with. So the smell isn't bad. Wow, look at that. That does take all that gunpowder right off. I'm very impressed so far.
You didn't even scrub those.
I didn't scrub them at all. I mean, there's some buildup on here, but that's to be totally expected. And it's taking that right off. Look at that. Not too bad at all. I'm super impressed. And like I said, we sat about, it said 2 to 5 minutes. We sat right about the 3.5, 4-minute mark on this. We're really trying to put it through to see what it does. I'm super impressed so far. It's going to shave off hours on my cleaning. Most of the time I'm super particular. Not too shabby. Let's see what happens to the inside of this bore. So, one more good spray in there. I'm going to spray a little bit on this brush right here. This is actually the brush out of my AK. Oh, wow. Not too shabby at all. I'm sure you guys can't see that, but it's like a mirror polish on the inside of there. The rest of this stuff off. And it almost has like a real, like a gun oil feel, which is cool. I don't think we're going to have to oil this afterwards because it does say lubricates. I'm super impressed, man. This stuff is getting clean.
Want to roll up a paper towel, throw it through there, see what comes out.
Exactly what we're going to do. Look at that. Most of it all came out with that brush. Unbelievable. It's the old school way of doing patches.
Yeah.
Some people don't have crazy amounts of money in cleaning kits. This is an AK-47 cleaning kit that I got for, I think, like $7 online, something like that. So if you don't have a ton of money, you can still clean your guns. Man, this stuff works really good. I'm shocked. Super surprised. Alright, let's see about this AK bolt, because AKs tend to run real dirty. And that is just taking all that built up stuff right off, no problem. Look at that. No buildup, no nothing. Well, I gotta say, I'm super impressed. Stuff definitely works well. And it's been a while since I cleaned this AR. It's just kicked. How many rounds do you think we put in today? 400 or 500?
Something.
Quite a bit. And then last time I went out, I probably put another 400 or 500. I didn't clean it. Look at that. Takes it right off.
Oh, man.
And like I said, it still has like a nice oily feel to it, so I don't think we're going to have to lube this at all.
I think what blows my mind is that I didn't see you put a brush to any of that stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm usually scrubbing the crap out of my stuff.
Absolutely. I don't even have a brush out here right now. But, I mean, it says on here, cleans, prevents rust, protects, lubricates. So, I don't... From what they're advertising, you shouldn't have to put a brush on here. And, I mean, they're spot on with it. Look at that. So usually you'd have to use some kind of powder blast or, you know, a hops number 7 that's going to break up that powder, and it's really taking it right off. Probably the cleanest this AK's ever been. Yeah, super impressed. Well, I think we got ourselves one hell of a product here, man.
You recommend it?
I have to say I will recommend it. It's hard for me to recommend something unless I've used it for a long time. But I'll tell you what, man, usually I have to clean that firing pin for 10, 15, 20 minutes. And all I did was wipe it off with a paper towel. 'Cause I'm super meticulous about my weapons too. Especially when I clean them, I really get in there. But, I mean, if you did use a little bit of a brush on it, it'd definitely pass everything that I do to mine, or at least the way I clean mine. I'm impressed. For as easy as this stuff is, it's not very expensive. I definitely put my name behind it for sure.
You can put a link in the description below.
We'll put a link in the description below where you can get it. And it even puts that nice factory shine back on there. Look at that, man. I like this stuff. Good job, Trigger Fanatics. You guys did well. Definitely continue to use your products here in the future. Thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching. If you get the chance, pick up a bottle. Like I said, we'll put the description and the link below. But as always, stay savage.